Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean your CPAP machine. This stands for continuous positive air pressure. It's for people who have sleep apnea, or maybe who don't breathe so well at night, or don't get good sleep. Really, a lot of people who wake up several times a night, it's because they don't get good sleep. What you need is one of these. It comes with a little mask that fits over your nose and your mouth so you can breathe, you can breathe well. And obviously, if you're going to be breathing through this thing, you want to clean it. So there's 2 filters in it, is the first thing you need to know. The filter on the outside is this one. You can get to it and see it very easily. It's usually a little black or colored, spongy looking thing, and it'll have just a little bit of dust on it like this does. You just want to clean it with some very mild soap. In this case, I'm using a really mild dish soap, or you could use a really mild hand soap, it doesn't matter, with water. You want to wash it off really good. Rinse it really well and let it air dry. You want to do this about every 2 weeks. Now, as for the other filter that's on the inside of the machine, you don't clean it. That filter is white. You don't clean it. You do replace it every 30 days. Another thing you want to clean is this tube. Best case scenario, you want to clean this every day if you have the time. And all you're going to do is run this soapy water through the tube and then some nice clean water to rinse it out. Same thing with the mask that goes over your mouth. You want to wash it with soapy water. And of course, all these things come apart and they detach. Let's see. And like I said, with these, you just want to use some really mild soap with water. And you want to rinse them really good. Last but not least, if you have a humidifier attached to your CPAP machine, you want to clean that about once every week with mild soap and water. If you think it needs to be disinfected, which I say needs to happen probably once a month, you need to fill it with half vinegar and half water and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This will disinfect it really well, and your CPAP machine will be clean. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you clean a CPAP machine.